Hello students, I am Brijesh Misra. Today I am going to tell you the second question of exercise 1.1. First of all, read the question, be carefully. So that any positive odd integers is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. So now this question we will simplify by Euclid's division lemma. Before using Euclid's division lemma, first of all we will write a statement: let A be any arbitrary positive odd integers on dividing A by 6. Let Q be the quotient and R be the remainder. Then by Euclid's division lemma. So now we know that Euclid's division lemma A equal to BQ plus R. And now comparison this BQ plus R in the given question 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3 and 6Q plus 5. So now we get at the place of B here is 6. So now we can write here B equal to 6 and now put the value B equal to 6 in this equation. So now we get A equal to 6Q plus R, and at the place of B we will put B equal to 6. So now it will become A equal to 6Q plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0 is less than what? Is less than 6. क्योंकि यहाँ यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा में हमारी कंडीशन क्या होती है? R is greater than or equal to 0 is less than B. तो now at the place of B here it will be 6. तो R is greater than or equal to 0 is less than 6. It means the value of R equal to what will be? Is greater than or equal to 0. It means we will take the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not included because here is less than 6. It means 6 is not included. Why is 0 included? Because here is given than r equal to 0. So 0 is included. So now the value of r is 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many numbers we get here? The value of r 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means here is 6 cases will be arise. So now we will take case first. And now here give the equation number first. So now put r equal to 0. Yani we will take the value r equal to 0 firstly. So now put r equal to 0 in this equation, in equation number first. In equation first. So we get A equal to 6Q plus R. At the place of R we will put 0. And finally we get A equal to 6Q. So now A equal to 6Q. Here is coefficient of Q is the 6 and we know that 6 is the even number. It means we can say this whole value 6Q is even number. So now we can write here विच इज इवन। ये इवन क्यों है? क्योंकि Q का कोफिशिएंट हमारा क्या है? 6 है, और हम जानते हैं कि 6 एक इवन नंबर है, और किसी भी वेरिएबल का कोफिशिएंट अगर इवन नंबर है तो वह वैल्यू क्या होती है? इवन नंबर होता है। इसलिए आपका ये 6Q क्या होगा? इवन होगा, विच इज इवन। तो R इक्वल टू 0 पुट करने पे हमें क्या मिला? 6Q, जो कि इवन नंबर है। एंड नाउ सिमिलरली वी विल टेक R इक्वल टू 1। तो नाउ वी विल राइट हियर केस second, and now again put R equal to 1 in equation first. So now we get A equal to 6Q plus 1, and now what will be this 6Q plus 1? Even number or odd number? So now 6Q is even number, and in 1 will be added in even number, so this will be odd number, विच इज ऑड। क्योंकि अभी जस्ट हमने ऊपर डिफाइन किया है कि 6Q इवन है, और यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं कि 6Q में 1 इज इंक्लूडेड, 1 ऐड किया गया है, तो जस्ट इवन के बाद हमारा क्या आता है? ऑड आता है। इसलिए 6Q प्लस 1 क्या होगा? हमारा ऑड होगा, विच इज ऑड। एंड नाउ वी विल टेक केस थर्ड। पुट R equal to 2 in equation first. So now we get A equal to 6Q plus 2. 6Q plus 2. And now what will be? 6Q plus 2 even or odd? So now 6Q plus 1 is odd. So now this is even, which is even. क्योंकि जस्ट इसके पहले का नंबर 6Q प्लस 1 आपका ऑड मिला है, तो जस्ट इसमें 1 ऐड हुआ 6Q प्लस 2, तो दिस इज द इवन नंबर। नेक्स्ट केस, केस 4। पुट R इक्वल टू 3 इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट। तो नाउ वी गेट A इक्वल टू 6Q प्लस 3, एंड नाउ सिमिलरली व्हाट कैन वी राइट? विच इज, so now above number is even, then what will be? This number is odd, which is odd. Now we will take next case. Put R equal to 4 in equation first. So now we get A equal to 6Q plus 4. So now what will be? Now what will be this number? 6Q plus 4, which is even, because we just found the above number is odd, so the next number is even number, which is even. Case 6. Now again put R equal to 5 in equation first. Now we get A equal to 6Q plus 5, and now what will be? Which is odd. तो जो हमें R की वैल्यू मिली थी, R इक्वल टू 0 1 2 3 4 5, यानी टोटल हमारे 6 केसेस बने हैं। तो नाउ फाइनली वी गेट 6Q, 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 2, 6Q plus 3, and 6Q plus 4, 6Q plus 5. And what we have to prove? हमें प्रूफ क्या करना था? तो क्वेश्चन में हमें ये प्रूफ करना था कि 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3 और 6Q plus 5, ये जो तीनों नंबर्स हैं आपके क्या है? ऑड इंटीजर से, ऑड नंबर है। तो आइए हम देखते हैं कि जो हमें मिला, क्या ये तीनों नंबर 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3 और 6Q plus 5 ऑड है या नहीं। तो नाउ सी 6Q plus 1 is odd, ये भी odd है। 6Q plus 3, now this is the odd, and 6Q plus 5, now this is the odd. It means this question has been proved. So now we will write here, hence any positive odd integers is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, hence proved. So now this type of question we will prove like this. I hope you will understand this question. Thank you.